Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, we're going to be talking about motions and gestures. So what you want to do is go ahead and hit your control panel right here. Go over to Advanced Features. Scroll down until you see right here, Motions and Gestures. Click that, and then you have a lot of cool different options. I like the double tap to turn on and off the screen. That is really neat because all you have to do is hit double tap and boom, it's on. Or when you're done with your screen, hit double tap it in an empty area and the screen will shut off. I also like lift to wake, and that is a neat feature because if you have your phone laying flat on the table and you lift it up, it will turn on. So these are two features that I would recommend using, especially the double tap to turn on and off. So, hey, I hope you had a great day today. I am making these tips and tricks very quickly for you, and I would love it if you would hit subscribe. So, talk to you later. Adios. Bye-bye.